Okay, so we had the online reputation management session in the morning. Okay, so how do we maintain our business reputation and increase our business visibilities, ratings, and reviews? Might be looking a small aspect, but it's very important to maintain our reputation so that people earn respect and trust on our business. Okay, so that's what we have seen little earlier. And any questions we have with respect to the reputation management, okay, that you can raise it now. So we will address couple of questions, then we will move on with the discussions. Okay, any questions on the text side, or you can release your mute because we have only 100 people today, one or two now. Okay, okay, now so people are connecting. Any doubts with respect to the online reputation management? Yes, Mr.
So that spot analysis, can you show once again?
Which one, sir?
Spot is that ratings. How to spot analysis you are doing, no? That can you repeat?
Okay, which means like how do I analyze the negatives and positive reviews, correct?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, wonderful. So I can do that in a very short period of time. Okay, so we can go ahead and do that. Okay. Any other questions out there, gentlemen? Please do raise it. I will just prepare my screen to be presented, and I will just let you know. Okay. So, can you come out with any business name to share? I can try to do that. Just tell me
Uh,
business name, and I will try to share.
Shall I tell you the name of our company?
Yes, you so.
aviacarriers.com.
IndiaCarriers.com.
Yes.
India.
Avia,
CEO. Avia.
AVIACAREERS.
Avia. CA.
Carriers.
Okay. So I'm just searching the brand name. This Avia Carriers, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Now, Avia Careers does not have a business listing, so there is no local business listing coming under one. Okay,
Okay.
right? Now, so
Then
this is
go
your
international.
so this is the
We can see
brand
that, or
name.
you want something else?
No, no problem. This is okay.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
Whatever may be the situation, this is the example we have taken. We have to stick to it. Right. Okay. So now, so this is the brand name we have. So Avia Careers. Okay, this already is. Now, what is the brand visibility of your business? So that's what we need to see at the first plot. Right, so brand visibility, you can use any number of tools. Okay, you can use tools like this to identify the visibility or the content of our website. So this is the one tool which I'm using. You can use any of tool of your choice. Okay, so let us see what happens using this one when I put your career brand name your careers. Okay, I'm just feeding this name into this tool, and any email address will do good. Okay. So, .com. Yes. So let me click on this one. So in how many places this Avia careers have been mentioned? Okay, it is available in social media presence, something like that. So it does not give me any input on that. Okay, so top sources, obviously. So sentimental deduction. Okay, so it does not give me any information related to this. Okay, there are two possibilities. Number one, there is a technical issue by the tool where it is not working properly. Okay, that is one choice. Let us try it again.
Sir, it is Avia Carriers total one word combined. Avia, there's no space in between Avia and Carriers.
Is it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, so logically, I am raising this question. Does it make any meaning to this logic? I'm just trying to understand. Correct. So okay, so this is how you practice. This is how you practice without space. Might be. Okay, that is your choice. So again,
Same.
it does not
Same
give
thing.
us any input. Okay. Anyway, so let it be like as it is. Okay. Okay. Free brand mention tool. which means there are several tools online where you can try to get one such tool to figure out which are all the places where your brand is mentioned, which means wherever people have typed your brand name. So if a particular tool is not working, let us give it a try with another tool, correct?
Right, sir.
End of the day, we need to figure out what is happening with our brand and other stuff. So social mentions, okay, we can also figure out places where people used to search using, social mentions. Okay, let us try with influencers and get what they want. Okay, no, we don't need that. Okay, good, sure. So they are given lots of tools out here. Okay, mention map, okay, social mention, blogs, micro blogs. Okay, so there are several places. Let us try to see the social mention map. They have not given the link for it. Beautiful. Okay. Social mention. Okay. There is another way of doing it without using any tools. Okay. Using your ACRP. Okay. Go to google.com. Okay. So enter your brand name like this gentleman said without space. So I will try to put it into this double quotes. Double quotation. Put it in double quotes. Put the brand name.
Yes, yes,
Okay, this will say that, hey, Amudakumar, do you mean AVA careers? Which means you have said
yes.
AVA careers without space, but Google says like
Uh,
it seems people are
with
using with
space.
space. Now, it is
Okay,
a good practice to move with the space because people's user
okay,
intention is shown like this. Okay.
okay, okay,
Now, so this says different places where your brand name is mentioned. Okay, so AVA
okay,
careers. Okay. So in India Mart you are available. You are available in India Mart, LinkedIn. Okay, find G local. Okay, Instagram. Okay. Now it means that you have started your digital presence. This is what it means. Okay,
right,
so there are places where people start talking about it. But this tool was really great to tell us like how many people are discussing about this one. Do you remember how we did with Philips?
right, right, right,
Right? So it was saying, but so we have started, but we are not consistent in social platform. That's it. That's what we infer from here. Okay. And when you want to
okay,
know about your brand names, reviews, what people others give, you can give it a try of adding along with a plus symbol review. Okay. Review
okay,
or reviews. Now what happens? AVIA, okay, reviews. Now employment reviews. Okay, getting your point. So career means logically means the same, right? Right. So
right,
AVIA employment reviews is there. So Glassdoor is there. Okay, we can go try to see what people are actually doing out there. Okay, so they start reviewing about your companies. Okay, 84%. So 3.4 out there, correct? And somebody has
right.
mentioned as a great culture and something like that. Okay, now what you generally do, it is 3.5 is little decent, so what you're supposed to do, okay, whenever you have a new people who got hired through your organization, they get an opportunity, correct? Right,
Right.
follow up them, let them know, hey, you know what, you got a wonderful opportunity to work with a leading organization out there in the industry. Yes,
But
do you
actually,
want, yeah.
they we conduct exams for the maintenance engineers. This career shows that we are providing employment opportunity. We only conduct exams.
Mhm. Okay. Anyway, so it is a responsibility of the people to take the services whichever you offer to the respective brand.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. So the problem here with respect to people is like negative thing, they will propaganda like anything. Okay.
Okay.
Positive thing, they keep silent.
Right, right, right,
Even I'm satisfied, but I generally don't, go ahead and start pushing on. But by nature, okay, when something is good, we tend to promote.
right.
Right. What was the last movie you watched, sir? Of course, it is a COVID problem, but still before COVID,
Hmm.
what was the last movie you have seen?
In COVID, I watched Dil Bechara.
Okay, so was it good movie for you?
Yes, it was
Yes.
good.
And how many people did you say through your WhatsApp status messages that I watched this movie?
I said, I said around 10 people.
Okay, obviously other people would also watch it, right?
They watched in the same day within 2 hours.
2 hours. See, how much money did the producer share with you?
Did not share a single penny.
That is human tendency. When them something is good, they can't stop sharing. To be very frank, right? So we need to make our
Hmm.
services awesome to such an extent that people come start sharing the content for you. Make sense?
Right.
Okay,
Right.
so this is one search where we try to get the visibility of the brand names. Okay, we can use Google search engine itself to find the exact match. You can go to local business, listing and all the places also to find it out. Okay,
Right, sir.
cool, sir. So thank you so much for keeping us engaged with this particular time. So the people have moved from 100 to 131. Wonderful.
My pleasure, sir. My
Yes,
pleasure.
sir. Thank you so much. And we are getting into the very huge business model called affiliate marketing. Okay, affiliate marketing. Now, before getting into affiliate marketing, is there anyone who knows the potential of the platform? Okay, what would be the potential revenue that people might be making? Any idea? Any random value? What will be the potential revenue that people are making using affiliate marketing program? Any answer? Doubt it. Okay, millions. Okay, I appreciate your dream, Mr. Tanya. Yes, Dr. Gopal.
2 billion, $2 billion
Two billion
globally.
dollars. So might be their total
Globally.
revenue, obviously. Okay, so people are making huge. Obviously, you say that $2 million and other stuff. At least you do not say zero. I'm really great. Thank you so much. Okay, because online means cheating. Okay, making money is out of the world. Okay, it's not real. Making money through online platform is a complete scam. So there are lots of the next industry that gets damaged after MLM is online. Right? MLM business, the next industry is online. You make money online, that is impossible. So this is the reality that people have it in mind. So people always take decision based on their experiences. Okay. Ask somebody who has, go and ask Mr. Sundar Pichai about what is the impact of technology in the development of a nation. Okay. Sundar Pichai will say, thousands and thousands of points. Correct? Now, if you go and ask a mom who maintains a 3-year-old kid, and what is the impact of technology, mobile-based technology, okay, in the growth of the nation? If you ask, the mom will be telling like, why the hell who found out this Android phone? My kid is 24/7 using only Android phone. Okay, so he's not even giving to me. Even phone call comes, he is disconnecting it. Now, this is the opinion of the mom who is trying to manage the Android smartphone with a 3-year-old kid. Now, if you go out and ask to the person who is internationally established and he says like, this is what it is and this and that. Okay. So what does it we have it in our hand is very much important. Okay. Right now, opportunity that we get with the zero investment rupees that has a huge potential because we don't know the potential of it. Okay. We generally don't make use of it. Okay. Now I will start this affiliate marketing session with a story. Okay, so story is what we all love the most, right? Okay, story. Okay, before that I will just type this an affiliate marketing. Okay. So lots of people knows what is affiliate marketing. The problem here is like lots of people don't know how to do this affiliate marketing. Is okay. There is a difference between knowing what is an aeroplane and knowing how to fly it. How to fly the aeroplane being a pilot or sitting in the the pilot seat or the we call it a so-called cockpit in the fighter craft. Okay, now there is one dog. Okay, very famous story is this. There is one dog which is actually creating a burrow, okay, making a hole inside a sand for a long time. And what happened is, in due course of time, okay, there is another dog which is coming behind and start seeing this dog. Okay, it is doing something, right? And without even knowing what is next, it also started doing the borrowing task of taking the mud out of the place. And that's the so second dog comes, the third dog comes, the fourth dog comes. Now 4 dogs are keep borrowing the particular place again and again and again. Okay. Now the fourth dog, which came very last, is a little suspicious. Now, why all these people are borrowing like this? Okay, why they are like digging the hole like this? and it got little bit fed up and it said like, okay, without making any notice of other people, it silently left the place. It actually gave up. Okay. Now, after seeing that fourth dog giving it up, the third dog also saw that and it's like, I don't know why, they are burying like this. So after some time, the third dog also left and the second dog also. Now you still see the first dog digging the hole again and again and again. How many of you know the reason why? How many of you know the reason why? The first dog is still digging the hole again and again and again. Any one answer, I will reveal the answer. Somebody gives me an answer in the text message, I will reveal the answer. Why is the first dog is still digging the hole? Why is it such a difficult question? Because that is the dog who knows there is a rat inside. Okay, that is the dog who knows there is a rat inside. And the ஓட்டக்குள்ள ஓடுன எலியை பார்த்தா அந்த நாய் மட்டும்தான். So that is the only dog which knows what is the end result of doing it. When I do this, what I'm going to get? The end result. Now the dog knows the end result, so now it does not want to give up. It wants to do it again and again and again until it gets what it needs. Okay, so this is one example which I'm trying to say. Okay, and another example is, let me say you go for a walk in front of a dam and you see in the dam shutters, in the small gap in the shutters and the wall, there is a small amount of water gushing out, right? Leaking, right? Water gushing out of the shutters of the dam. What does this mean? Any idea? What does this mean? If you see a small amount of water gushing out of your shutters, what does this indicate? Okay, anyone answer out there? One answer will be fine to reveal my answer. Okay, leakage. Wonderful, Vidya, thank you so much. When there is a water leaking in the shutters, it means that there is huge amount of water behind the shutters. That is the meaning. When there is a small amount of water leaking in the shutters, there is a huge amount of water waiting behind the shutters to be unlocked. Okay, now by taking these two examples, I want to let you know that affiliate marketing is a practice of associating with, okay, practice of associating with the industry leaders on profit sharing basis. Now I'm teaching you about affiliate marketing, but I don't make huge revenue using affiliate marketing. The reason, because I don't know, somehow or the other I created my Amazon affiliate account in the year 2009 without even knowing what it is. Okay, and to my surprise, when I joined Amazon as an employee, the employee agreement says like Amazon affiliate associates are not eligible to be a part of Amazon's employee network, which I never knew. I still joined in Amazon. Okay, now, so that is something behind the scenes. Okay, now associating with the existing industry leader on a profit sharing basis, preferably for free. Okay, what are we going to get? How do people make money through affiliate marketing? Okay, top bloggers in India, top bloggers revenue in India. Okay, now let us see a small search in this one, and 21 Indian bloggers who are making money, where it is an article written by an organization named Digital Vidya, one of the reputed digital marketing training online platform, where they have written this answer. Number one, who is coming into the part of number one? Okay, let us see. Number one is Mr. Amit Agarwal, one of my great inspiration. Okay, so this gentleman is from IIT Roorkee. Okay, and he worked in US for a foreign company, and he was making a very decent salary with respect to his IT industry job. Okay, and in the year 2000, when the complete IT industry went upside down, okay, he is one such person who vacated or evacuated from US and came down to India. Okay, came down to India, and he believed on one platform called blogger.com. Okay, now we say, right, what are the people who says like blogspot.com is not working, right? So that is a very free platform, something like that. This gentleman started his first blog named labnol.blogspot.com. Okay, so this is the blogspot.com that he started first time. So this is the blog that he has. Now he is redirecting to his digital inspiration website. Okay, so his first blog, now it is being redirected to labnol.org. Labnol.org. Now, if you look into his website of labnol.org, okay, that's a very simple, plain interface. Okay, when I go with this, when I put a site colon operator to see how many pages are indexed inside Google, he has 6,020 pages indexed inside Google. 6,020 pages. Okay, so let me open the tool named Ubersuggest and see what is the potential visitors that he is getting to his website. Okay, it is labnol.org. Okay, let me go with https colon www.labnol.org and I hit search. Okay, and this is going to tell me how many visitors it is receiving and all the stuff, something related to this one. Okay, this is one of the free tool to check. Okay, of course, official Google tools can be used to check only by the Google owners, I mean the product owners. Okay, now I want to check this particular website, and it says this website receives almost 5,60,000 visitors every month, organic, which means he is not using any paid method to promote, only natural visitors who are coming to this website, and his website is ranking for 3,79,709 keywords, which drives almost, okay, almost 3 lakh plus visitors. Okay, now this is really huge. Now what happens end of the day? Okay, this gentleman generates approximately $60,000 revenue every month. Now what is $60,000 convert from USD to INR? Monthly $60,000. Okay, $1 is 74 rupees. Now $60,000 is basically, okay, so almost I think 44 lakhs, is it? I don't know. I'm missing my max. Okay, 44 lakhs, approximately 50 lakh rupees. He is making it every month. Now, he is making it. Okay, cool. But what is the effort he is taking it from? He is blogging from the year 2000. Okay, now, so this gentleman is my great inspiration. When I came to know, when I worked with CSS Corp Private Limited, I came to know about this gentleman. But the problem is, what is the intake that I got is, when I visited labnol.org, not a website of techie kind of stuff. It was a simple website. Okay, very simple website with a simple tips from how do you generate your Gmail account, how do you link your Gmail account with your Google account, something like that. So tips and tricks was amazing. I was inspired, number one. But the gentleman did not teach me on how do you get these visitors coming to your website and generate revenue out of it. Now in that scenario, I ended up start seeing this particular gentleman, Harsh Agarwal. Okay, where I can very closely relate with myself on his profile, where we both of us started initiating this blogging related stuff somewhere around 2008, because I came to know about this one in 2005, but he started in the year 2008. Okay, this gentleman, okay, joined Accenture like me as a fresher, not with me, but he joined in Hyderabad. I joined in basically in 2009 in Chennai. Now what happens is, like, I could able to relate with this guy. Immediately when he's joined in Accenture, what happened, he met with an accident before his training program, and for 6 months Mr. Harsh Agarwal was bedridden. Okay, bedridden, and His right leg was crushed and he was operated with the plates. And in the 6 months of time when he was lying down in his bed, he started writing content and blogging stuff named the shoutmeloud.com, right? Shoutmeloud.com. He is guiding, mentoring people on creating WordPress website content and all this stuff. Okay. Now, it is his website is what I first started, exploring about what is SEO is all about. Okay, in the year 2013 and 14, I was very keen in the process of learning, and this gentleman revealed everything from the scratch to the end on how he started doing it. Okay, such a wonderful person, okay, who would love to teach you how to start a blog, create, website content step by step. Okay, and what he does is like he makes money through affiliate marketing programs. Okay, the beauty about this gentleman is like he is even willing to reveal how much money he makes every month. Okay, he publishes his every month revenue report, and he is one of the speaker out there in the lots of affiliate marketing and digital marketing summits out there. Okay, now I have shown you two examples now. Now these two dogs know that there is a rat inside the hole. Now the third dog, it is me. When I start getting into this industry by gaining confidence and all the stuff, now what I figured out is like I got an opportunity to train people and I got a very good feedback. And what I thought was like my playground is training. Okay, I'm an expert in training people. So let me take my platform to play my game. So now I'm a trainer because I love training. Okay, I'm not affiliate marketer because I'm not inclined towards it, to be very frank. Okay. Now, what happened is like what these people have done. Okay, he is associated with Mr. Amit Agarwal is associated with Google's advertisement program where they display advertisement, and in the process he sells product. And what does this gentleman does? Okay, Harsh Agarwal. Okay, he teaches people on how to start a blog. Okay, and in the process of starting a blog, there is a domain name required, there is a hosting service required, there is a WordPress that is to be integrated. Okay, now what
Sir,
happens
sorry to interrupt. Voice is breaking.
is it?
We're not able to understand. Voice is breaking a lot.
Wait, just okay. So is my voice okay now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, wonderful. Now, what happens is this gentleman teaches you on how to create a blog or website. In the process, he will refer to a service named Bluehost. You agree with point? Okay, you click on this one, start a blog. He is going to tell you how to start a blog step by step for free. Okay, now what you need to do is you need to just follow what he is doing, just read through the content. Okay, he is going to tell you these are the steps you are going to follow. Okay, and after following all this, when people read all this, what will they do? Step one, select a blogging platform, and they tell you, okay, yourself with the wordpress.com and self-hosted website. Okay, so he tells you like what is blog is all about, how do you select a niche, how do you select a theme, how do you create your website on all the stuff. Pick your blog name, Bluehost domain name suggestions features, picking up the hosting. He says picking out a hosting, and he teaches you how to select a hosting service provider, and he tells grab Bluehost offer special price. And now when they want to create an account with Bluehost, they click on this button, they are taken to a Bluehost button. When they make a purchase or account with Bluehost, this gentleman will get a share of revenue. Okay, so he is actually referring people to a service by helping people to understand the overall concept. Okay, so the perfect place to WordPress. Now you go here, if you look here, okay, this will say the particular URL will talk about it is a Bluehost campaign, medium is affiliate, click ID is this one, campaign ID is this one, and published ID. So it might be one of the ID is by the Harsh Agarwal's ID, the tracking ID. Okay, so now when I go click on this one and start my business with Bluehost, now because Mr. Harsh Agarwal referred me to Bluehost, now Mr. Harsh will get a share of revenue starting from 10 to 15 percentage or 20 percentage approximately. Okay, now this gentleman might be promoting Bluehost because he loves this is good. Now, when people read his content, when they follow his instruction, they will end up creating an account because of which he will be making money. And he will be selling themes, he will be selling the designs, plugins, and lots of things where everything will be sold. But he teaches people for free, and in the process of teaching people for free, he sells products. Okay, he sells product. Whenever a product is sold, he makes money out of it. Now this is how the affiliate marketing system works. Okay, you learn the art of how to promote a product or a service using SEO. What does Mr. Harsh Agarwal does? He promotes visitors to his website. Even Mr. Amit Agarwal, what he is doing, he has done SEO, search engine optimization, for his content, and this website content are visible in SEO platform. So several people come to this website automatically, naturally, and when they read the content, they follow his guidelines, they end up creating their account and all the stuff, and that is how they do. This is one way of doing, creating a text content and teaching people on how to do it. Okay, now there is another way of doing it, is like you go to YouTube. Okay, so you go to YouTube and you can start searching for free digital marketing course, free digital marketing course, and you start seeing there is one more gentleman coming who is Ankur Agarwal. Please don't mistake, I'm not trying to promote any Agarwals here. Okay, unfortunately they are the people who are coming at the top. What can I do? Okay, so this gentleman says like, hey, you will get a free digital marketing course for free, man. Come on, come on, come on. Everybody will come study. I'm going to give you a 60,000 rupees worth of digital marketing course for free. Come learn from me. And he creates this particular campaign on organic methods, and
Great content.
he promotes lots of his products using the method of teaching. Okay, he teaches people on doing it. And when it comes to creating hosting service provider, something like that, how to start a blog on hosting, in this module, now he promotes a product named SiteGround. Okay, he promotes a product named SiteGround. Now when we click on this one, we will be taken to his affiliate link of SiteGround, where SiteGround will make payment for him for every successful account creation. Okay, now remember, every word which is called free is a $1 million business. Okay, now what happens, there are 4,98,000 people who visited his video. If 10% of people would have taken package with, SiteGround of their hosting service provider, it is almost, I think, 498, right? Now if this many people would have taken a commission from this particular guy, so he would have made huge revenue. Okay, there is an assumption. Okay, without data we cannot speak on all those stuff. Okay, so these are the two things which I have shown, which is related to digital marketing. I mean, online platform and other stuff. There are lots of people who are making money. There's a huge revenue that people are making, ranging from 40 lakhs rupees to almost 50 lakh rupees every month. But those people are in the industry for almost 10 years now. Nobody came yesterday and they started making money today. You agree on my point? Okay, consistency is the key. The biggest advantage of being consistent in this particular digital platform is like, all you need to do is to invest your knowledge and time, not your money. So there's a beautiful opportunity that we have, so be open to do all this stuff. Okay, now how do we start into these affiliate marketing programs? Okay, the deal is, find your niche. Find your niche. Niche. Niche means your topic. Like in the starting stage, you still remember, I believe, the medical shop. Correct? You go to a shop, you find few peculiar things, and that is called a medical shop, right? So you go to a grocery shop, you go to a vegetable shop, you will have a theme for every shop. The same way, you need to have a theme for your blog or your website. Now create content, especially help articles. Content like help articles or support articles. Okay, let me say you are teaching somebody how to check whether your battery is good or bad. How do you check your mobile phone battery is good or bad? Let me be very specific. How do you check the Geo 3 device battery is good or bad? Okay, I'm going to teach people. How do you check that? Okay, what we will teach? Open your device, check, take your your Geo 3 device and take out your battery. And if your battery is flat, good, that's okay. If it is bulged, obviously the battery is damaged. Now what you're supposed to do, if your battery is damaged, you are supposed to buy a new battery. Now what to do? Buy a new battery from Amazon, Flipkart, that's it. So when somebody reads your answer and they figure out your battery is not working very well, they will click on the link, buy from Amazon, correct? At the same way. So find your niche or topic, okay? As of now, Amazon is one of the best place to start your affiliate marketing with. Affiliate marketing is in every industry. Let me say you are a fashion designer. Okay, go online, start searching for fashion affiliate programs in India. Okay, search like this. Go search for those products which are related to fashion. Mintra is offering you Tata Click, LimeRoad, AGO, right? Now these fashion related companies are also offering you the affiliate programs. Okay, you need to go with them, affiliate, sign up for their affiliate program, free, and once you retail the product for them, you will generate revenue by yourself. Okay, all you need to learn is to do how to affiliate program, how to find out those affiliate programs. Okay, fashion affiliate programs. Okay, anybody from the crowd who wants to let me know that, you tell me your industry, let us figure out is there any affiliate program for that industry. Can you? Food industry, like costume design, like agriculture or something like that. Okay, any industry, you let me know, let us see is there any affiliate program out there, because you have to figure out your
Hotel
industry.
industry.
Which one, sir?
Retail sector.
Hotel industry.
Okay, hotel industry. Okay, let us see. Hotel affiliate programs in India. Okay, obviously, Qling says Make My Trip is offering affiliate program. See, how many of you guys know? Yatra is offering. You help people to book hotels through yatra.com and you get a commission out of it. Awesome, right? Right? Make My Trip.
Right, sir.
Clear Trip. So they are offering. All we need to do is go create an account with them. Everything is free, gentlemen. To the best of my knowledge, no affiliate marketing is paid. Okay, you give them a business, they will give you a revenue sharing. Okay, any other example of business you want to see? Is there any affiliate programs offered? Now once you know which industry you want to do your affiliate marketing on, okay, what happens? Automatically create content around the particular topic. You can use websites like Answer the Public. Okay, there's a website named Answer the Public. Okay, you can go here, search about your industry. Okay, like you said, like hotel booking, right? Hotel booking, yes. So go hit search. This is going to give you keywords and information related to hotel booking. Okay, so we can come down and explore those keywords what people are actually searching for in the question tag. Okay, so people are searching in the question tag, click on the data and you can see what are all the different questions that people ask related to hotel booking. Can I do hotelbooking.com? Can I cancel hotel booking? Can hotel cancel my booking? Can hotel cancel reservation booking? Something like that. Okay, there's a lots of questions that is raised related to your booking hotel, and if your website gives answer about all these questions and it helps people to figure out the best hotel nearby by linking your affiliate link, people end up clicking on your link, they end up booking their hotel on Make My Trip, they end up booking their hotel on TripAdvisor and hotel booking websites, they are willing to pay for you. So this is basically okay. Now, so create enriching content for your website or your blog in a specific theme or category and start pushing your product or services, preferably by doing SEO and YouTube, preferably YouTube. You would have seen lots of youngsters, okay, who take up the smartphone and say like, you know what, this has got a 2 GB RAM and 4 GB hard disk and this and all that, 128 GB SD card slot. So I have this scratch card being done. This is very sleek, very beautiful, 3 megapixel camera, front camera, back camera. Now the link is in the description, buy it. Why did they do that? Agree your point? How many of you have seen that? Okay, people are doing this, and how many people have wondered why these guys are like taking a costly phone like this and doing all these activities and all? End of the day, I have reviewed this and this product is in the description. Okay. Now, when you go ahead and click on the link in the description and buy a product, you make money out of it. Okay. So this is how the affiliate marketing program works. Okay. Now, in order to promote your content website, that is when you need SEO. So you need to do SEO for your website for visitors to come inside. You can do a social media marketing promotion. You can run a search engine marketing promotion. So paid advertising, free advertising, any platform of promoting your content you can do. You can be active on Facebook, posting videos. You can be active on YouTube, posting videos on a regular topics and drive more visitors and generate revenue out of it. Okay, so that is one beautiful options that we have. Okay, so having been said that, okay, there are two platforms. One is Amazon, okay, and another one is Flipkart. Okay, Flipkart. And not only with respect to Amazon and Flipkart, gentlemen, any industry which you are interested in, go to the specific industry, go Google, start searching it, apply for the affiliate marketing program. All you need is a website or a blog. Website or a blog. I think this is more than sufficient. Obviously, an email account. Okay, your email account. Okay, so this is what you need to get started. Okay, so you need to create your YouTube channel, your Facebook page, or your blog using blogger.com, or you can even go for a self-hosted website like WordPress, where you will be spending for your hosting service provider and also for your domain name, which will be somewhere around 200 to 250 rupees every month, starting with. As a year, whole year, if you take, including the hosting service provider, you'll be spending somewhere around 5,000 to 10,000 rupees when you go for paid marketing programs and other services. Okay. Now, so once you have this, you can
Sir,
yes, sir.
to ask this question, in the sense, you are, I can say you are an expert in digital marketing, and then this affiliate, are you also earning, sir, in affiliate marketing?
Okay. Till now, I have earned only $100 from affiliate marketing.
Why, sir? Why can't you, what to say, explore
Because,
more and expand your in this area?
correct.
Because
God
you
has,
said everything is free. Yeah. You are saying that everything is you're getting freely. Why not you practice this?
God has not given about 24 hours for me. I have only 24 hours in a day.
Okay. Thanks.
Right.
Thank you.
Okay. So I was exploring a lot in earlier times because there were no proofs, there are no people to support. It was a trial and error method. Okay. So I've been blocked, I've been rejected, my account has been disabled several times, full of trial and error methods. And only when I got into corporate industry, I came to know that a business should be done the right way. Till then, I never
You
believed
mean
in
to
it.
say security is less?
Security is less in the sense like I was not knowledgeable. I cannot say the security is less. I was not knowledgeable during that time. You are getting a point? Number one.
Yes, sir.
And number two, because I made money through AdSense first, then affiliate marketing. So I believed in advertisement program. Right?
Okay.
I believe in Google advertisement program. I made somewhere around $1,200+ in Google advertisement. Now I believe in Google advertisement. You're getting a point?
Okay.
Because
Okay.
I did
Yes.
not get any immediate result from affiliate marketing, I never believed affiliate marketing, to be very frank. And I was start
Okay.
putting effort in the place where I get results now. Right? And I was
Okay.
trying to make unlimited income through AdSense program, and unfortunately, I was introduced to the training industry, and I came to know that I am training very well in digital marketing. Now, the amount
Okay,
of
sir.
money that I make is not through affiliate marketing or AdSense, but it is through training, and that is why you and me are here. Right. So I figured out my destination as training, and at the same way, you will also end up figuring out your own destination. Once you figure out your destination, then you become a Sachin in your industry. Yeah? Correct. Now, affiliate marketing. Right. So this is one such program. Anybody can start and anybody can do it. Remember, when you don't act, you don't get results. Just because I'm a trainer, do you think Google will give me huge money? Neither Amazon nor Flipkart or Google will give me anything until I don't act. So action is very important thing where lots of people miss it. Now, why lots of people don't succeed in affiliate marketing is because like they choose affiliate marketing because somebody told there is affiliate marketing. Okay, if he would have figured out by himself and he was passionate about it, like he will achieve just like that. Go off, right? Okay, I'm coming to this point. Now, what happens? Affiliate marketing with respect to your website or blog, you can keep it for free, take it for free. Okay, so you can associate with any platform of your choice. Number one. Okay, number two. So go to websites like start googling it. Okay, Amazon affiliate. Okay, Amazon affiliate. Okay, so you can go search here. Okay, there will be a link coming in. Amazon's.in affiliate central. I have account with almost 8 marketplace of Amazon. Amazon India, Amazon Canada, Amazon UK, okay, Amazon Ireland. So there are lots of countries where I have affiliate account with. Because whenever I came to know about affiliate marketing, okay, I was never taught about how to do affiliate marketing in the early stages. Okay, I landed up on AdSense, blogging, and now I'm a trainer because my trial and error method has taught me a lot. Now I want to expand my training experience to all these people. Now that's the reason I become a trainer. Okay. Now I'm concentrating on affiliate marketing. Now I'm planning to take up to the next level because my training business is giving me a residual income and also active income. Now I have financial freedom with the time freedom to try something new. Okay. Now what happens? So this is basically Amazon India's affiliate program. You go to Amazon Associates. I already have an account with them. Okay, let me try to log in. Okay. Now, gentlemen, is there anyone who is planning to buy something on Amazon right now? Anyone in the team who is planning to buy something on Amazon here?
Mobile phone?
Which mobile phone?
Mobile phone.
Which mobile phone you want to buy? So you
Mobile.
that is what Mr. Sanjay Kumar. You want to buy a mobile phone, which means like you are giving me an answer. You are not telling me what you want.
Sir, I'm planning to buy Redmi Note 9 Pro.
Okay, Redmi Note 9 Pro. Okay, so this is my Amazon affiliates, login center. And look at this one. So this is my referral ID, list of univ-21. Okay. Now what happened? This gentleman told me a product. Okay. Can you please come again? Product.
Redmi Note 9 Pro.
Redmi Note 9 Pro. I'm not sure whether Amazon is selling it or not. Number one. Okay. So Redmi Note 9 Pro. Okay, so I am an Amazon affiliate. I go to Amazon's platform and I log into my affiliate account. Okay, and I go here and search Redmi. Sorry, Redmi. I have Redmi Note 9 Pro. Now, gentlemen, you know what? Redmi Note 9 Pro Interstellar Black 4 GB RAM, 64 GB storage. Is this what you want?
128 GB, sir.
128 GB. So second one, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 128 GB. So it is 16,000 rupees 999, correct?
Okay.
Now let me say my friend of mine, my close friend, my family member, or somebody is telling like, I want to buy one smartphone. What you can do? Help them, consult them, ask them what are the things you want. You want a 6 GB RAM, 120 GB hard disk, and everything. Go to Amazon, figure out what are the product he needs, and he will finally say, yes, this is what I need. Correct? All right. And so you need to go to your Amazon affiliate program, click on the option like this. It will give you the option. Okay, this will have my affiliate ID. Can you see here?
Oh, correct.
Embedded. I click on this shorten URL with this one. It will be very short. I will take this link and go to my WhatsApp, put it, send it to him. Bro, I have sent you the link of the product. Go buy it. That's it. That's what we need to do. Now what happens? This gentleman will place the order for rupees 16,000 rupees, and if based on the agreement between myself and Amazon, if it is a 2% profit, 16,999 rupees, 2% will be into my commission. Are getting a point?
Yes.
Okay. Now Amazon is giving an opportunity for almost every product out there in the market. You can sell coconut oil, you can sell nail paint, you can sell lipstick, hairs, like whatever the product which is there with Amazon. So you choose a theme. Let me say you choose a personal care industry theme, and any related product to a personal care, you can start going ahead and selling to people sitting down at home. You can help people to figure out what they want and help them to buy it. Consult people to buy a very good refrigerator. Consult people to buy a very good two-wheeler replacement parts. Take it from Amazon and put it onto their affiliate marketing program. Send them a link outside. Let them click buy it, and for every time they make money. So this is a hobby activity will give you hobby income. Serious activity will give you serious income. You are getting a point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what happens? What Amud Kumar has made out of it. Okay. Even now, when I sit down and start writing content on SEO related stuff, I can write more content. You're getting a point, right? But if you tell me to sit and start writing a content for affiliate marketing, I'm always bored. In between, I go for a cup of coffee. Right. So the interest is something which should come from your inside, and that is the reason you need to choose a topic where you are knowledgeable. You are getting a point? Okay, you need to choose a topic where you are knowledgeable, where you can create content around the stuff without even putting any extra effort. If you're taking a niche or a theme which you don't know about, then you have to do a lots of hard research to figure out the content around it and build around it. Instead of your passion, that becomes your burden. Now it is your burden, you won't do it. You are getting a point? Okay, if it is a burden, you won't do it. Now what happens? Okay, I used to share my link whenever I buy something. I used to put it as my status. Okay, I buy something online through Amazon or any other platform, I put it as my status that, hey, you know what, I bought this today for this price, and people will look at my WhatsApp status and they may end up buying the product. I don't know why. I've not even taken a single effort to call somebody to ask like, hey, can I sell you a product, do you want to buy something like that? Okay, now because of which there is a few amount of commission is still pending with Amazon until we get almost 5,000 rupees into our account, approximately $100 accumulated. They are not going to send us the payment. You're getting a point? Okay, so this is the commission that we received for selling some products out there. Okay, how much is the earnings? Okay, so there are one item placed order 871 rupees. This is the value of the product, 871 rupees. That's a book, and for selling that book of 871 rupees, 69 rupees and 68 paise is the revenue share that they have given to me. Okay, then for selling a 338 rupees product, 30 rupees is the commission they have shared with me. Okay, for selling a power bank of 677 rupees, 27 is what we got. So like this, once you have a website which discusses about power bank comparison, power bank, that, this and everything, when people end up reading your content, when they end up buying a power bank, you will get a revenue share. This is what happens when you go out and buy products or compare products online, right? So I think I've already shown something now. Top washing machines in India, brands in India, right? You go something like this, okay, you end up seeing bestwashingmachine.co.in coming in. They're going to tell you this is the best washing machine, this is the image, this is the features, these are the benefits, these are the content. They are going to tell you about everything, and they are going to tell you explore in Amazon. Can you see? There's the best model of 2020 LG. This model view on Amazon. You click on this, it will take you to Amazon's landing page, and they will have the referral ID linked here. Can you see here? Price Galaxy -21. Correct. So now when I place order for this product, now this Price Galaxy, okay, this website. Okay, so they will get revenue. The reason because I am coming to this landing page because referred by this website. Okay, like this. So they are suggesting 1, 2, 3 washing machines, and they want to check out the price on Amazon, Flipkart. So whether you buy from Amazon or Flipkart, every business success. Okay, I get a revenue share. Correct? One concept. Now they are helping people to discuss about these products. Okay, they're helping people to discuss about this product, and this person is having an affiliate program with Amazon and Flipkart, and he suggests almost 15 plus 13 washing machines out here. Now what if a person clicks any of the product and buys it end of the day, whether he is buying from Bosch, LG, IFB or Samsung or higher, end of the day, this bestwashingmachine.co.in website owner is what going to make money from Amazon affiliate and Flipkart affiliate. So the person might be buying it from Amazon, might be buying it from Flipkart. That is his choice. You are getting a point? Okay. So now what are the skills that are required for doing this one? You need to have your basic website setup. It can be a free website or a self-hosted website. See, when I say free website, in my opinion, I always say a website with blogger.com. Never ever trust any other free hosting website on our platforms, because there might be the word free might be a trap that you are supposed to be get trapped into it. But Blogger is Google's product. I trust and believe in Google, so I can have a website with blogger.com. That's purely your choice. If not, go to wordpress.com. You can follow websites like Harsh Agarwal, okay, or Harsh, uh, who is the gentleman in YouTube, Ankur Agarwal. Follow them, create your websites, get it done, and create your affiliate marketing related product content and have it going live. Okay, so you can do this. Top 10 washing machine is what they have done. You can talk something like top 10 smartphones in India, and you can start telling to people. Top 10, Wi-Fi dongle, water bottle. Okay, you can talk from your jewels to dresses to personal care to health care to any topic you talk about. Okay, any topic you talk about, you speak around the globe or different people. When people end up clicking buying a product, you end up making money from it. This is the deal. The more sale you make is the more money you make. Okay, your point. So this is basically a affiliate marketing program where you can sign up with leading why I say Amazon and Flipkart is because Amazon you search about any category, you have a product with them, correct? I think I'm not telling something new, right? Amazon.in, and look at the category of products that they have. See, deals, Alexa skills, okay, beauty products, books, car, motorcycle, clothing, accessories, okay, collectibles, something like that. So this is with respect to Amazon. Okay, I don't have I know affiliate ID with the Flipkart. Okay, and another way of generating revenue that I generally did, I received around $100 revenue from is SiteGround. SiteGround is one of the website hosting website. Okay, they offer hosting service. Okay, so I join as an affiliate with them because I'm into this technical industry. Okay, I rarely promote paid products. See, I'm telling you 100% upfront. Okay, I rarely promote paid products. But when it comes to business, I tell them please go for paid products. Okay, when it comes to business, you want to run a business and your business needs the best, and you are willing to invest for your business requirements. Yes, that's amazing. Okay, but if you are a student, if you are a person who is starting something new or something like that, okay, just a minute. So if you are someone who is starting with zero investment, okay, and other stuff, please make sure that going for a self-hosting website in the paid option, okay, may not be a right choice, because without even you making 10,000 rupees, you may end up spending 10,000 rupees once a year turns up. Okay, now so when you go with the platform, the trusted sources of platforms, I'm talking about blogger.com combination with Google. Okay, so that is your choice on how to go ahead and start doing it, or don't go and create any websites. Go to Quora. Okay, go to Quora.com, start creating a profile of your own and start talking about only washing machines. Wherever there is a question related to washing machine, discuss about washing machine, give the people answer and the link. When people read your answer in Quora, they may end up buying your product. But don't create a website. Go to Quora.com and help people answering all the questions. Okay, go to youtube.com, create a YouTube channel which talks about the product related to your affiliate marketing stuff and publish videos regularly, so you don't need to create a website. Okay, you can go tell those content in your YouTube video to push it. You can go to Quora.com to push it. You can go to Facebook.com to publish the content and participate in Facebook groups and other stuff. You still don't need your own websites to promote affiliate marketing products. Okay, if you are a person who is very sensitive about money which you don't have to invest, now there are lots of free platforms available to establish yourself in the platform. You don't need to go out and pay money alone. Okay, see, money is what is time. How much time of how much time of amount you invest is what is amount of money you are going to make. So time is money, money is not money. Okay, now we can go to program like this. So when I have this one, affiliate marketing, okay, so there are a couple of people who took a counseling with me and said like, sir, I want to have a stable hosting service provider that I want you to suggest me. Then I had no other choice. I went for them. Lots of people.
Sir, sorry, sir. So
Yeah.
this mysiteground.com it's a free where anyone can get into it, or it's your this thing, sir?
Anybody can apply. If you have a website,
Okay.
If you have a website, you need to go, you have to apply for them. Okay, they will review
Okay.
which website you are referring is your website is in, related to their theme or niche, because they are into hosting and I am into digital marketing training, correct? Right. Now,
Okay.
my content may be very potentially related to this one, so that is the reason I prefer SiteGround. And moreover, my students, whomsoever has learned from me, who started services from Bluehost and different services, what I heard is like the SiteGround is awesome. You agree with my point, right? And
Okay.
that is the reason I give SiteGround as a suggestion to people who are asking to me personally. Okay, now I don't use SiteGround for my hosting services because my requirements are met with blogger.com itself. You're getting a point, right?
Okay.
For my business model and my requirement, it is met with blogger.com itself, which I don't need to host with SiteGround. And I have a very bad experience with WordPress because of hacking problems and all this stuff. Okay, so
Sir, can you please send these sites address to the organizer, sir? Because it will be in our inbox. Means sometimes no, we write, we miss the paper. If the soft copy
yeah,
is
that is
there,
true,
could you please help
obviously.
us
So one is,
creating these all sites and the blogger, whatever you said, and if you mail to the coordinator, we all participants
yes,
will be get
I will
benefited,
be
sir. Please.
creating, I can create a list of useful websites or tools
Yes,
used
sir.
related to digital marketing, like in
Yes,
start.
yes.
Obviously, I'll do
Please,
that.
sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Wonderful. And
Thank
you
you.
also got a very good set of assessment to be happened today. Okay.
That's what, sir.
See, you will enjoy it. You will enjoy it. You will enjoy it. Okay. You will enjoy
Sure, sir. Yeah, thank you. If any doubt, I'll call you, sir.
it. Wonderful. Okay. Now,
An
what
answer,
happens
sir.
if you look into this one into the reporting section? Okay. So I have referred a couple of people and they have paid me $50 for each referral, and $100 is received, and there is one more payment which is pending, which is yet to be received. They will validate, they will send to us. Okay. Now, the beauty is, let me say I am a graduate where I don't have an employment opportunity and I am unable to do anything, and I came to know about this opportunity. What can I do? What is the compensation program? Okay, payout details. I go out here. Okay, this is my account details. Okay, visual assets, something like that. Okay, I can go to their websites and see how much they are paying for me as an affiliate. Let us have a small calculation. Okay, where are they going to pay me? In their homepage only they have it, right? Okay, do they have information on how much they pay, share, affiliate, and all this stuff? I think I'm logged in. Okay, create my campaigns overview. So this is the home page without logging in, I think. Okay, here is where I was. Okay. Okay, number 30 here. Okay. Affiliate marketing commission. Okay, so what is the amount of commission they want to give it to us? Affiliate marketing by SiteGround. Okay, let me open this. Okay, so I'm going to decide, I'm going to push affiliate marketing. Let me say in due course of time my training is not working out, I'm not taking money, something like that. Now I will decide to sit down with affiliate marketing with SiteGround to help people to create their own websites on their own. Now they say this is the commission rate that I can get. When I make 1 to 5 sales per month, I make $50 per sale, which means 5 sales is $250 every month, I mean that month. Okay, now I make a $6 to $10. I end up making $75 for each referral. So 6 to 10. If I make 6 referral, approximately $500 is what I can make. If I make 10 referrals, I can make approximately $750. When I refer more than 10 people to 20 people, they are willing to pay me $100 per sale, and 21 plus. Once I refer more than 20 plus 21 plus people, I can demand them give me this much amount of commission. So that is custom. Okay, so now what happens? Approximately, let me have a goal of 20 sales every month. Now once I reach a sale of 20 affiliate commission, affiliate, I mean referrals to SiteGround, how much I can make? Again, USD to INR. I go here. Okay, when I have a goal of selling 20 hosting service providers to those people, 20 cross 100, right? So how much I can make? I can make $2,000, correct? So $2,000 is approximately 1,49,000 rupees and 725. Okay, 1,49,000 rupees. Okay, 1,49,720 rupees. Okay, now when I decided to make affiliate marketing, so this is my affiliate marketing commission program, and when I start taking seriously, and wherever I go related to SiteGround and affiliate marketing, I start pushing it, promoting it, Facebook, Google, YouTube, okay, wherever I go, okay, when once my content is available in plenty in internet, obviously one or two sign up, whosoever reads my answer from YouTube, Quora and all the platform, they may end up creating account with SiteGround, and I may start generating unlimited residual revenue on the natural basis. Okay, I can use SEO content, I can use YouTube, I can become a Quora influencer, okay, I can become an Instagram influencer, and I help people to go click this link and buy this one, click this link and create your website, something like that. I refer people to this program, and if it is a 20 people every month, okay, approximately $100 per sale. So there is an opportunity available to create 1.5 lakh rupees every month, at least to sticking on with SiteGround. Okay, so when I start reviewing a best site now, a hosting service provider in the industry, I can review 10 different hosting service providers, starting from GoDaddy, Bluehost, SiteGround, BigRock. Okay, there are lots of hosting service providers. I can take 10, I can have affiliate marketing with all the 10 services, and when people read, take up any one among the 10 services, I still end up making money with different hosting service providers. You are getting a point? Okay, so with respect to this one, you can also have it with respect to your Amazon. Okay, there is lots of online affiliate marketing programs based on your interest. Okay, now the beauty is, okay, the beauty is only when we execute information, only we execute, we get the results and out of it. Okay, the primary purpose is to get result out of it. Action is very important. Lots of people will gather information, okay, they will not act on it. Okay, so only when we act on it, action, anything without an action will not give you a result. Okay, if I don't take an action to sit down here to communicate with others, right, no, so there is nothing is going to happen. Okay, so this is the primary intention. So we need to make sure that we learn something and we act on it. Without acting on it, we will not get results. I generally tell to lots of people, right, கையில லட்டு வச்சுக்கிட்டு லட்டுன்னு சொன்னா இனிக்காது, கடிச்சாதான் இனிக்கும். Okay, if you want to taste the reality, you will have to try to get at least one commission received from any one platform.
Nice example, sir. Nice example. That in this afternoon session.
Okay, லட்டுன்னு சொன்னா இனிக்காது, லட்டை கடிச்சு பார்த்தாதான் இனிக்கும். Getting a point?
ஆமா சார், ஆமா.
The மாதிரி you keep simply talking about it and bragging about it will not give us a result, gentlemen. And the very important aspect where lots of people fail is we don't act on it. The only thing where we fail is we plan very well and everything is okay, we generally don't act on it. Okay, so how to create a new app? Harshini Prabha, creating a new app. Are you referring to mobile application? If I'm right, you have to get in touch with the developer only, lady. Okay, so you have to get in touch with the developers. If you have a website, there are applications which has the potential to convert your existing websites into mobile applications, but they might be a simple thing, but they cannot do advanced complicated stuff. Okay, and if you are very much interested in learning the coding and all this stuff, there are online courses which is there to learn about it and execute it. Okay, you can go out and learn from that and do it by yourself. Whenever you don't know about something, please outsource it. That's the best policy. Okay, outsource it. Okay, when you don't know something, outsource it. That's the best thing, Harshini. Okay, so tell your website developer, app developer to build a development, application for you. Okay, okay, sir, please suggest other sites also for affiliate marketing where we can earn. Okay, now when you say other sites, there are millions and millions of sites. I literally don't have a list of it, but the deal is you can always go to Google, combine with your industry along with affiliate program. You will get list of websites, any industry. you take teaching industry. Okay, now let me say I'm into teaching. I am not comfortable in creating online courses. What I can do, I can go out and associate with Upgrad. I can go out and associate with any other online learning platform. Okay, and what I can do, I can tell them, or I can promote the courses created by them, out of which I can take money from it. Okay, I can take affiliate marketing from Upgrad. Okay, Upgrad affiliate marketing, Upgrad or Upgrad affiliate marketing, affiliate program. Go, they will be having affiliate program. Okay, so refer on, right? So click on Upgrad. So refer people to Upgrad of any courses of your choice, and Upgrad will share your revenue with you. The same thing goes with any other training platform also. Okay, so you can even make revenue by recharging. You can make revenue by referring food to people. Restaurant based reference you can make. Okay, so affiliate marketing is in any industry. Okay, so please go to YouTube, search, Google. So go to Google and search combination of your keyword industry plus your affiliate marketing program. Okay, there will be a list of websites coming in. You can choose any of your choice and you can go ahead and try to make money out of it. The only deal is, if they are giving you maximum share for your effort, that is the best place to put your effort. Okay, is social media marketing and affiliate marketing is different? Yes, Vidya, both are entirely different. Social media marketing is like using the social media platforms to promote your product or services. Okay, affiliate marketing is not only generating revenue. Okay, so on the other hand, let me say with respect to the Upgrad example, okay, let me say an affiliate marketing example I said, right? Okay, now I'm actually promoting SiteGround for the hosting services. Okay, now SiteGround will give me money. Now what SiteGround is following, it is following affiliate marketing technique also, which means it is giving away money for those people who are referring businesses. So businesses can also follow the affiliate marketing by giving incentive to people. So on the other hand, people who are giving business to the business websites, they make money. These business models follows affiliate marketing model, which means they give money to those people who give business. Okay, so business people can expand it by spending money to those people. Okay, but this person can make money by selling these services to other people. Okay, I think there are lots of questions which is popping in. Okay, affiliate marketing is franchisee business model. No, franchisee business model in general is basically one of the very successful business model, but franchisee is basically in physical in nature, which means the outlet will be there. Okay, you generally pay a franchising fee for that. Okay, and you get a license to distribute and all the stuff. But affiliate marketing is purely 100% online. Okay, purely 100% online. To be very frank, franchisee model. Okay, so you will be having a regional restriction and all that stuff, but affiliate marketing is not like that. I can get approval from Amazon. I can sell product across India. Okay, so franchisee is entirely different. That is a networking business model type. Okay, and affiliate marketing is entirely different, that you are the only person. Okay, in general, franchising business will have a branching also. There will be a network being developed, but whereas affiliate marketing will not have a networking all that stuff. All you need to do is like give business to the company is going to share profit with you. Google has affiliate marketing, they call it G Shoot. Okay, you want to have your G Shoot account being created, G Shoot affiliate program. For every G Shoot affiliate program, okay, G Shoot affiliate program. Anybody wants to have their own Gmail ID like admin@amudkumar.com, okay, amudkumar@lightmentest.com, they want to have something. Okay, so we can go with affiliate ID programs like this. Okay, so what happened to my keyword? Okay, so G Shoot affiliate marketing program. Okay, I go here. So Google is offering affiliate marketing program for G Shoot. When somebody asks like I want to have my own brand domain name for my college or my school or my business with the lowest cost people can have, right? So you refer people to this G Shoot program to have their own domain name and all this stuff, and Google wants to pay you for this G Shoot program. Okay, whenever you roll out your referral link to other people, when they join, they pay approximately $17 for every referral you make. Okay, Amazon has got affiliate program for their Amazon Prime package. You push or sell Amazon's Prime package and they want to give you a commission for it. You sell Amazon's Audible services like audiobooks and other stuff, they want to pay money for you. Okay, So find out your industry, a niche or theme, okay, and start doing it by yourself. Okay. Is any affiliate marketing model in insurance business? Okay, Mr. Samrat, I'm going to copy the same thing and I'm going to put it into Google. So my assistant will tell you now. Insurance affiliate marketing means making money online where insurance blogger and agents earns a commission when client buys it. Okay. So what you can do? Okay, insurance affiliate programs. India, search for it. So obviously they are going to give you. So in fact, Shopify affiliate programs. I want only with respect to insurance. Okay. Easy Insurance India is offering affiliate program, gentlemen. Okay, go to Easy Insurance India, check out their programs and all the details, create a content around all this product. Okay, start using this one. Okay, leads. You go to life insurance, you get ₹2 per lead. Home insurance ₹2. Okay, okay, 0.5, two-wheeler car, something like that. Okay, so they have their own compensation plan. Please check out their compensation plan. If they are not worth the amount of time you are investing, please don't go for it. Okay, so go ahead, check it out. With respect to so QLinks, Max Pupa life insurance, it is giving you the affiliate program. Okay, and all this stuff. Most probably the website QLinks gives you a list of affiliate programs for you. Okay, different industries. Okay, so where you can take out or 100 per lead, up to ₹84 to ₹100 per lead with respect to Pupa. Okay, so there are other insurance based affiliate marketing programs also. So end of the day, you generate a link, a custom link of yours, and share it to other people. Okay, yes gentlemen, so I have given you the cream of it. Gentlemen, if anybody in this session is highly attracted towards a PPT based presentations, I'm sorry, I'm very weak in preparing PPT and sharing the stuff, because when I restrict myself from what I'm supposed to say, then I don't give my best. So I always go with real-time live examples so that you can raise questions and I can also give you the answer to those questions on all the platforms. Okay, so if you're expecting a PPT from me, I'm sorry, I generally don't such kind of programs. Okay, I'm always live. Okay, you can raise any questions and you'll be getting an answer for those questions, and it will be more interactive too, to make it very interesting. That's the reason. Okay, so what's the difference between affiliate marketing and drop shipping? Okay, are the same or somewhat are the same or thing? Okay, so indirectly affiliate marketing and drop shipping can be considered as the same, but basically drop shipping is little different with that. Okay, you can check directly with Google also, right? There are lots of people, okay, who has a confusion about this one. Okay, so drop shipping is most probably related to your supply chain management. Okay, so which is like, we cannot say exactly the same. Okay, so in affiliate marketing, the merchant also carries inventory and ships the product, which means, like, I generally associate with Amazon. Whenever I retail a product with Amazon, Amazon will take care of the supply chain management. So I generally don't do it. Okay, but whereas with respect to drop shipping, even the person who is participating in the drop shipping model also, they may even be required to ship the products and do other stuff. Okay, so you will be still responsible for marketing and promoting too. Okay, so you don't get the set of product price and only receive commission. Okay, in drop shipping model, you will be responsible to promote, then making business out of it also. You ask me personally, logically there is no huge difference, but these two are two different business models. Okay, affiliate marketing is suggested for those people who want to start with zero investment, who do not want immediate result, but in long term they want to have a residual recurring income. Okay, thank you, Mr. Rohit. Yes, Kritika. Okay, so anyways, he has gone on mute. Gentlemen, any other doubts we have? Okay,